Hello. Good morning. Today for kids I have something new. Here's a healthy, kid-friendly choco waffle made with amaranth and wheat flour. Perfect for lunch boxes or fun weekend meals. It's loaded with fiber, protein, and energy for growing kids. Let's get rolling. In a bowl, take half wheat and amaranth flour. Add jaggery for your taste, cocoa powder. I have taken half cup amaranth, half cup wheat flour, 3 spoons of jaggery, dash of cinnamon powder, half spoon of baking soda, 1 spoon of baking powder. Dry mix this well. For wet ingredients, yogurt, 1 cup pinch of salt, 3 spoons of butter or coconut oil. Mix wet and dry ingredients. You can always add more flour if the batter is runny. Do not overmix, keep aside for 5 minutes. Heat the waffle maker. I've used non-electric one. Works good too. Grease the pan both sides with butter. Wait until waffle maker heats up. This waffle should be cooked on low-medium heat. Pour the batter and spread. Close and turn both sides in 1 minute interval. You can add to this batter any fruits. Do not add more baking soda. If you do, waffles will stick to the pan and may not come out. For darker color, you can mix beetroot's puree. Always it turns out to be very soft inside, crunchy outside. We can have this with chocolate syrup, or honey, or any sweetener of your choice.